So today I'm gonna be doing my breakdown for a song I did. I think I dropped it last year. So now I just wanna do a breakdown on how I did it and what plugins I used, maybe share some of the sounds if maybe you might want me to share them. So I started with the sample. So I was kind of like looking for a jazzy bahla, yabo, just to put it on a drill vibe. Yabo. This is how the thing was sounding. Yeah, so simple as that, and then I had to, I think, pitch it to 5 claps, and then I had to work on the drums after I've got the bounce and the tempo. I think the bounce was like as simple as drill. I had to find a clap. I always use it well on all my songs. I don't even know what's in it all up, whatever it was. And then I had to put some perks, then some more texture. And then I felt like on the hi-hats, I couldn't like get the right bounce about. So I had to like try and go like listen to other songs and try find the bounce that I want from those songs. And then this is what I found. This other songs, I think it was Nems. And I had to take his drums and put it on my song, and then it sounded crazy. I was like, man, why not? So after I was done with the thing, I had to put more texture. And then usually I don't like doing a map build up, but then I had to come up with a Ngabe build up on this one. I had used the Kendrick OZ crash, and then I had to use some toms, some chains for more texture. So, and then this is how it was sounding, the whole thing. Let me play it from the top. And then also the 808 is the spins or nothing, pana. So I didn't really do much on this spins 808. That's how I keep my stuff simple. So then this is how it was sounding with the 808. Yes, simple as that. So now obviously when I was getting down with the beat, I think Seekay was already like ready to jump on the mic and do his thing. I don't think he even wrote this thing, bro. Yeah, I think he was just punching in lyric by lyric. This is how it was sounding, the whole thing. What I did with my vocal chain. So I've realized my mic was boomy because I remember while we were recording the song. So now I had to cut a lot of my frequency and put some highs and cut them at mids. That's what I did with the EQ. Obviously some auto-tune. The key was on F minor, and then the input type is a tenor. I had to put my retune speed on like 6 and my correction style on 26, and then the rest was like just default. Obviously the classic, I had to cut some off. I won't lie, I always go for the Fab Filter EQ, man. I think it's the best. I had to use this classic as well. Threshold I'm on 34, and then erasure on 4, and then I take a bit, and then I had to push my release all the way up, and then my gain, and then I had to obviously cut like those hash points for those vocals to be clean, because my mic value that day was kind of fucked up. So I had to lower down my release and push my attack a bit. The rest was just it, default. And then I don't know why I used this. I think it was for my lows, more compressor, almost the same vibe, more EQ. And then This is the sauce, Lana. If you know, you know. Fana, Sankurizer. I think it was the sauce for the vocals, this thing. I think this is it. If you think this video is cool, let me know what song should I break down next.